Waste. Waste are unwanted or unusable materials. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use, or it is worthless, defective and of no use. Waste is the byproduct of all the matter which is consumed by living organisms and is used in the industries as well as in agriculture and other fields. Usually this waste is thrown on areas outside the cities, but this open disposal decreases the usable land into non-usable land and also polluting the environment. Waste can be broadly classified as follows. A. Rural waste. B. Urban waste. I. Solid waste. 2. Liquid waste. A. Rural waste. Rural waste is the waste from agricultural and dairy farms. These can be reused by burning agricultural waste and composing. The waste produced by the man and animal is now used in the production of fuel by biogas plants. B. Urban waste. It is the waste from household articles or from industries within municipal limit. It can be again classified into two types. I. Solid waste. Solid waste is the material is hard from industries such as newspaper, cans, bottles, broken glass, plastics, container, polythene bags etc. E. Liquid waste. It is the water-based waste which is produced by the main activation sources of waste. Sources of waste. I. Industrial waste. It contains solid as well as liquid waste and is formed by the processing of various materials, and it contains harmful chemical and solid metal waste. E. Domestic waste. It includes all rubbish, garbage, dust, sewage waste etc. It contains combustible and non-combustible materials. When these waste disposal of openly cause various harmful effects. E. Agricultural waste. It includes the waste produced from the crops and cattle, etc. Open disposal of thin waste create problems for health of man and other animals. IV. Flue ash produced by interval power plants. B. Hospital waste is most harmful waste of contains microorganisms which cause both communicable and non-communicable diseases. List out the waste material in workshop, Fig 1. Oily waste such as lubricating oil, coolant etc. Cotton waste. Metal chips of different materials. Electrical waste such as used and damaged accessories, wires, cables, pipes etc. Methods of disposal of waste, Fig 2. Disposal process. This is the final step of the waste management. From this disposal point or site, the materials are selected steps as recycling, composing, landfill, incineration, waste compaction, reuse, animal feed, firewood, recycling. Recycling is one of the most well-known method of managing waste. It is not expensive and can be easily done by you. If you carry out recycling, you will save a lot of energy, resources and thereby reduce pollution. Composting. This is a natural process that is completely free of any hazardous byproducts. This process involves breaking down the material into organic compounds that can be used as manure. Landfill. In this process, the waste cannot be reused or recycled. Separated out and spread as a thin layer in some low-lying areas across the city. A layer of soil added after each layer of garbage. Once this process is complete, this area declared unfit for building construction and is only used as a playground or a park. Incineration, Fig 3. It is the process of controlled combustion of garbage to reduce it to incombustible matter, ash, waste gas and heat. It is treated and released into the environment. Fig 3. This reduced 90% volume of waste, sometime. The heat generated used to produce electric power Waste compaction. The waste materials such as cans and plastic bottles compact into blocks and sent for recycling. This process needs space, thus making transportation and positioning difficult. Reuse. The amount of waste disposal can be reduced by carefully considering the exact throwing away. Before discarding the item, think for the possibility to wash and reuse them. Plastic tubs contents butter or ice cream can become effective storage containers for a range of small items like nails or screws. Animal feed. Vegetable peel and food scraps can be retained to feed small animals such as hamsters, rabbit, etc. Large meat. Bones will be greatly reused by feeding dog. Firewood. A small amount of waste disposal can be reused when it comes to refurnishing have or replacing furniture. Before discarding the furniture, cut it into more meaningful process and use